Are you prepared to succeed with AI? Do you want to grow your company quickly and stand out from the crowd? Since you are here, the answer must be yes. The fantastic news is that you can ensure your place in the future by utilizing AI, or you run the risk of having the door slammed shut on your chances of success. The bad news is that not all AI technologies are made equally. Although it's wonderful to hear sweeping statements about innovative AI apps that promise to alter everything, the truth is that the majority of them are ill-equipped for the job. You see, AI must have practical applications if you want to use it to actually boost your company's growth and profitability. AI must either increase your income or decrease your need for labor. Your workflow should be made simpler, not more complicated. Because of this, I'm going to share with you in this video the 7 AI tools that I am positive can increase your income and help you conserve more of your valuable time. Let's start. Subscribe to us now for more amazing videos. Number 7. TenWeb. A website used to be created by a professional, take weeks or months to complete, and cost a small fortune. However, helpful tools like WordPress, Wix, Shopify, and others soon appeared, dramatically reducing prices and making websites accessible to regular people. However, one issue persisted up until recently. Regardless of how you construct a good one, it still requires time. But because two incredible AI tools everything has changed. Now, without any coding, you can produce a whole website in a matter of minutes, complete with design, copy, and original pictures sourced by the AI. Additionally, you may purchase extras like integrated SEO and AI recreation to ensure that the outcome is exactly what you want. Simply provide some of your favorite websites to the AI, and it will copy or even improve them until they are flawless. This AI technology is completely revolutionary. Not only can you utilize it in your own company, but you can also build a whole company around it. Since you can create and design a website in a matter of minutes, you can offer a better service and charge more than other online freelancers. AI has made it possible to combine time savings with financial gains in an unparalleled way. Number 6. OpusClip. It's no secret that people's attention spans are getting shorter and shorter, therefore content producers need to attract viewers' interest right away. Many have turned to short-form content to satisfy these expectations, and I can attest to this because I spent over a year and hired 20 full-time editors specifically to produce it. Obviously, most people cannot afford to do this, which is where a helpful application like OpusClip comes in. With just one click, it captures long-form video and applies AI to find the segments that will appeal to your audience the most. It reduces boredom and raises the likelihood of producing viral material. Additionally, it enables you to clip particular stretches of the video depending on predetermined keywords. Given the number of short-form content, this is certainly one of the best tools you can acquire in terms of return on investment. Many agencies have begun to take advantage of this, and with the appropriate tool, you may create a successful company. OpusClip can help you save a ton of money and time while drawing in millions of viewers. Number 5. ChatGPT Writer. The next AI tool is now available to transform the way you operate. It's basically a no-brainer to use ChatGPT Writer because it's so simple and effective. I'll explain why. People were pleased to see AI being employed for easy writing chores when ChatGPT first appeared on the scene. But there was a minor problem. You probably have saved time if you just wrote the reply manually. By the time you set everything up, email opened, ChatGPT copied and pasted, prompt read, and responded to write. So don't worry, ChatGPT Writer is here to the rescue. This incredible Chrome extension uses AI to speed up and simplify email replies. It's a genuine game changer that, over time, reduces irritation and saves a ton of time. Number 4. Tidio. The power source that will always generate income for you is Tidio's AI. You will avoid paying expensive employee salaries. You will realize a rapid increase in sales thanks to better customer service. It is a chatbot using AI technology that can comprehend your clients more quickly and effectively than a human. Now that there aren't long FAQ sections with a ton of unresolved queries, your clients may get their questions answered fairly immediately. That's not all, though. Tidio is more capable. Additionally, it can respond to sophisticated questions about stock availability and order fulfillment. This enables your customer support team to address consumer inquiries more quickly and proficiently. The fact that Tidio is a text-based AI makes it even more intriguing because it can transform the fast, hurried responses from your support personnel into whole sentences that are consistent with your brand. Tidio also has an automatic fallback system, so that's not all. It will automatically route a question to a human agent if it is beyond the AI's scope of understanding, saving time and money. This is fantastic news. Tidio can handle 70% of your customer inquiries, giving your support team more time to assist more clients, which will ultimately result in happier clients and higher sales. Number 3. DocuAsk. Long documents might be tedious to read, but with DocuAsk at your disposal, you can quickly get the information you require. DocuAsk is unique among market available summarizing tools. Further, it analyzes papers so you may ask queries and rapidly find answers without having to scroll and search for hours. It's never been simpler to extract crucial information from documents, and DocuAsk is the only tool that can make it happen. No matter the task or sector, DocuAsk is an innovative artificial intelligence AI tool that delivers blazing fast results and can help just about anyone. DocuAsk can save countless hours of work and be a lifesaver when it comes to avoiding those tedious hours of document reading. Number 2. Microsoft Copilot. Copilot is a valuable ally if you use any of Microsoft's robust portfolio of products. This AI assistant can quickly create jaw-dropping presentations, analyze Excel figures, and even record meetings, so you have the essential takeaways that Copilot can implement. Additionally, Copilot is familiar with your schedule, creates documentation and reports based on prior work, and can even respond to all of your emails for you. Make the process fast, productive, and simplify using Copilot. This cutting-edge AI tool can simplify anyone's life regardless of their line of work, especially if they currently utilize Microsoft products. Use Copilot to make a pitch deck for clients or examine quarterly triumphs, and you'll save countless hours. Copilot will undoubtedly be your ace in the hole, that much is certain. Number 1. Adobe Firefly. The development of content is revolutionized like never before using Adobe Firefly. It's the AI tool that has the potential to significantly improve your work instead of simply making it easier. Product photography, editing clothing and photos, and turning sketches into photorealistic photographs all become much easier. You can do things with Firefly that only a few years ago required a whole team of graphic designers and artists. Furthermore, you can significantly improve your work without significantly raising your expenses. Additionally, it will soon be able to create graphics out of 3D components. Adobe Firefly is a necessary tool if you work in content development. Utilize AI's power to standardize what was previously unthinkable. Join the AI revolution right away by downloading Adobe Firefly. Conclusion. In the end, you need to be able to recognize what is actually valuable and stick with it if you want to succeed in the AI revolution. These 7 tools can help with that. They provide you the advantage you require to enter the game and continue playing. So don't wait. Use these tools right away. I'm confident you'll be glad you did. You'll be able to earn money and save time with ease if you have these tools on your side. This finishes our today's video. If you enjoyed this video, then do give it a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more of us, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.